this is just a consequence of habits. If you build a good habits, you'll learn it quickly and with the crystal details and understanding. So first we have to check what is there in current in the market. Maybe I'm a biased, or maybe I could be wrong, but and to do that there is a secret website. I'll tell you, don't tell anyone. Okay, so welcome everyone. My name is Prasad, and this video mainly will be the continuation of the previous one, where we have discussed about what is SQL, what is databases, and what is complete history behind it. If you haven't watched it, I would encourage you to go watch that first to get the crystal clear template understanding of this current video. So from my last nearly 8 years of experience in IT, what I felt is change is only constant. So in day-to-day life, technologies and tools are continuously changing in such a manner that it is very fast-paced. And to cope up with the pace is one of the important skill that you have to sustain in the IT environment, and uh, to grow as well. So in this video, what I'll do is I will reveal my personal strategy if I want to learn a new technology, or if I'd have to learn the SQL from scratch today in 2023, what would be my mindset and what would be my strategy. So I will share simple 6-step plan to learn the SQL without getting any paid courses or any paid softwares for completely free. And out of those 6 steps, I think second step and fourth step is quite daunting. But again, with the little bit of consistency and the patience, you'll nail it for sure. So in next 5 to 7 minutes, I'll try to reveal all the steps which I would take to learn SQL from scratch. And the first stage is market research. So what do I mean by market research? It is the process of researching all the topics what you have to learn and which is still relevant for the current age. If you have observed, there are so many technologies which are getting older and not used in companies anymore. What is the point in learning all those technologies and all those tools, right? So first we have to check what is there in current in the market, and to do that there is a secret website. I'll tell you, don't tell anyone, or directly I can show you that website called as google.com. Now everybody knows about Google, but nobody knows how to strategically use the Google and how to do a market research on Google for that matter, right? So I will tell you, for SQL courses you have to simply type top 10 SQL courses, and you'll get multiple results and lot of courses related to SQL. Okay, what you have to do is you have to take 5 to 7 courses, the best courses from the repetitive industries or website. I will do something like this. This is the updated one, right? July, udemy.com. As you see, within Udemy itself, there are so many courses to learn SQL. So what you have to do is basically you have to take 5 to 7 courses. For demonstration purpose, I'll take only two. Now I have two courses open. What I have to do is I have to check the syllabus and compare these two syllabuses. Okay. Now you'll see some topics which might be common. So if I go to, let's say, fundamentals and creating databases and table, I see some topics like constraints or create table for that matter. Now let's go here and try to see if those are present or not. So there is one more topic I see, creating databases, database types, creating tables, right? So what I found, for example, this create table is common in both. That means it is an important topic. Now you have to collect all such important topics which are common in all across courses, and you have to come up with your own syllabus to study, right? And you can easily get time duration as well. So if it takes this 4 minutes, so this is comparatively smaller topics or the atomic topic, right? Now this is the first search we have done with market research. We have came up with our own syllabus, and first step is done. Now second step is create our own roadmap. Okay, once you have collected all the topics and the duration, you have to sequentially arrange the topics and with the time duration, and you have to start study one topic at a time or one topic at a day. Okay. Now when I say study, what do you mean exactly by study? How to study, from where to start? Okay. So for that you have to create a routine. Okay. This is just a consequence of habits. If you build a good habits, you'll learn it quickly and with the crystal details and understanding. Okay. So what do I mean by routine? So if you pick one topic, creating tables for this matter, what you have to do is daily you have to first read about that topic. Okay. So how to read? So one advice I would like to give you is, if you are a beginner, maybe I'm a biased, or maybe I could be wrong, but I would suggest MySQL can be good to start because it's easy to understand comparatively. Okay. What you have to do is you have to go to MySQL official documentation page and read about that topic. Okay. So in Google, I will simply type MySQL official documentation and the topic name, which is create table. Now you will see the very first link. Okay, create table statement. Now what you have to do is, from this official documentation, your agenda is to gather and remember only couple of points related to that topic. So you see all the complicated syntax here, you don't have to worry about it right now. So just skip all the point and see, this is the theory of that particular topic. Now even you don't have to remember all this theory, you just have to remember 2 or 3 points. This theory is also a very simple language. So create table creates a table with the given name. You must have the create privileges to for the table. Privilege means access. You need a specific access to create that table. Okay. And MySQL has no limit on the number of tables you have to create. So basically you have to you can create unlimited numbers of tables in MySQL. Okay. So I'm good with the 3 points. So first point is, create table command creates the table with the given name. Second is, we should have proper accesses to create, or privileges to create a table. And third is, MySQL has no limit on the number of tables. Okay. That's all what I wanted to do from the official site. I don't want to see a syntax right now.